Today we're making these eggless milk chocolate brownies, which are so decadent and perfect for the Valentine season, or just about any time, to be very honest. So let's get started. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need to make the brownies. So first, grease and line an 8 by 8 inch pan with some baking paper and set it aside. Now in a small bowl, take the powdered sugar and add in the water. And just mix it till the sugar has dissolved. Once that is done, in another bowl, take the butter and add in the chocolate. And just mix it roughly, and you're going to melt this in the microwave or on a double boiler. So I just put it in the microwave for about 30-second intervals until it was melted completely. You can also use a double boiler and just stir it till it has melted. And then I just whisked this till it was completely smooth. Then add in the cocoa powder. And mix it in. Also add in the sugar water mixture while stirring till it has mixed in completely. Now finally, you're going to add in the all-purpose flour and just mix it in till you have a smooth mixture. Take care not to overmix this. Now you're going to pour this batter in your prepared pan. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. If you want really fudgy brownies, I do recommend just baking them for 20 minutes. You can check with a toothpick to see if they are done, though if you want them fudgy, the toothpick will come with a little wet batter. I let the brownies cool in the pan completely. Here's a little clip of my cute little dog. Once the brownies have cooled completely, I put them in the fridge for about 2 hours till they're completely set. And then you can just run a knife at the sides and then take it out of the pan. And then cut these as big or as small as you like. And your brownies are done. These taste just like pure chocolate, and I love them warmed in the microwave with some vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce drizzled on top. It's a heavenly experience. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and do make sure to try it out and let me know how you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with new videos, and I will see you soon. Bye!